Welcome guys to my channel Cut Cook Taste. Today I'm here with yet another recipe. It's gonna be a starter this time. We are making corn kebabs. They are made out of sweet corns and make amazing kebabs that you will relish. Now let's go and see the ingredients I'm gonna be using for this dish. So first we're going to take the corns here. I'm using this brand corns. You can use any brand that you prefer. I have strained them out of the water because these are already in water. I have strained them and now I'm going to put this in my mixer. After this, I'm going to add 2 slices of white bread in it. These are fresh white bread and I'm going to put it inside this. After putting this, I'm going to mix this into a fine paste. So after mixing and grinding everything together, this is the consistency that you're looking for. Now I'm going to pour them out in a bowl. Mixture is out in your bowl, it's the time we're going to add further ingredients to this. For this I am adding chili paste. I have grinded green chili and I'm going to add in it. This is according to your taste. I'm adding around half a teaspoon. I'm going to add some ginger paste here. I'm going to add around 2 teaspoons of corn flour to bind everything together. I'll be using some red chili. Again, it will be according to your taste, but I would prefer that you add a little chili in it because the corns are sweet, so that will balance the flavor. I'm adding a little coriander powder, little chaat masala, salt to taste, and lemon juice, around 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And now I'm going to mix everything together. The batter is going to feel a little soggy only. It's not going to be very firm because these are kebabs. So we really want them to be very soft and not very hard. So we are keeping it nice and soft. But it should bind together. At this stage, I'm going to add some coriander leaves here. I've taken fresh coriander leaves and I'm going to add. Now we're going to make kebabs out of it. I have my kebabs ready to fry here. I'm going to saute them with little oil in this pan here. Now for this step, you have to lightly brush your pan with some oil here. I'm taking peanut oil. You can take any oil that you prefer so that they do not stick here in your pan. After this, I'm going to put my kebabs on it nicely on the pan. We are sauteing them and you don't have to keep them for long after you add salt to it, otherwise the batter is gonna get runny. So make sure that as soon as you add salt, you either keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes or you just directly make them. I just like the fact that they are so easy and quick to make. You just need a tin of corns at your house. Bread is always there and you're good to go. I'm going to saute them so they are golden brown from both the sides. I'm going to flip them. See how nice golden brown they are becoming from the other side. They are very soft, so you have to handle it very carefully. So guys, now my kebabs are ready. Now I'm gonna plate them for you guys. to make a simple recipe, yet a delicious recipe. Serve it with some mint and coriander chutney. Put some onion rings. I just love the flavor of crunchy onion and soft corns in this kebab. Mint chutney is a little tangy and the corn kebabs are a little sweet. So the whole balance of flavors that goes into it is really amazing. So guys, these amazing corn kebabs are ready to eat. Go make this recipe and enjoy it with your family. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.